What you can do with basil, if you want to make it last a lot longer, you can just prune it off and then put the stem in water, and it'll actually root out and grow and keep growing some leaves for you. So I'm going to take that same principle, but I'm going to pull out the entire plant and put the roots in water and then keep it in the shade, and then that should keep the leaves fresh enough so that I can harvest them tomorrow morning and then take them to market. I'm going to shake off all the dirt. Okay, just like that. I'm going to go over and we'll put this in some water. And the roots are completely submerged. And I'm just going to keep this right here. This is a spot that won't get any sun at all. It'll just chill here. All right, I'm going to get the other plants. Check it out, it's the morning time, and this basil is still perky as it was in the ground. So the trick totally works, and I can sell this today. You can also do this cool trick just by pruning off a stem. So if I take my shears and I prune it off here, or here, or here, it doesn't really matter. If you prune it off and put this in water, the basil will stay fresh and continue to grow, and may even produce some more leaves for you.